What's up YouTube? It's your girl chasing SunRae and I'm back with another tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to increase this gorgeous diamond mesh stitch. This video is a part of a series of skill building videos where I'm going to show you how to make this stitch, how to decrease and increase it, how to work it in the round, and how to work it in the round while increasing. All the skill building tutorials in this mesh stitch series will lead up to us creating a beautiful mesh crop shawl. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into it. We are picking up right where we left off in the last tutorial where I showed you how to make this stitch. I'll link the video in the top right hand corner if you missed that tutorial. Now we're going to want to start on a row that ended in a single crochet in the chain 3 of the chain 5 space. And again, you're just going to want to pause the video to read the pattern. So we're going to start by chaining 4. And in the back loop, we're going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook. And now you're just going to turn your work. And now we're going to chain 5. And then we're going to single crochet in the chain 5 space. And we're just going to repeat that all the way until the end. So again, we're just chaining 5. And then we're single crocheting in that next chain 5 space. And so you'll repeat that all the way down. So here I am coming up on that very last chain 5 space. And again, you know, we're chaining up 5. And then we're single crocheting in that chain 5 space. And now we're going to chain up 8. And then we're just going to slip stitch in that single crochet. And that is the end of the first repeat row. And your work should look something like this. So of course, you know, for the next row, you are going to want to pause to read the pattern. And so we're just going to turn our work. And now we're going to slip stitch in the first 3 chains. Okay, and now we're just going to chain up 2. And we're going to double crochet in that very same chain. And now you're going to chain up 5. And then you're going to single crochet in that same chain 5 space. You're just going to repeat that all the way down. So again, we're going to chain up 5. And we're going to single crochet in that next chain 5 space. So here I am coming up on that very last chain 5 space. And we're just putting that single crochet there. And now we're going to chain 5. And then we're just going to double crochet in that very last single crochet. And your work should look something like this. To continue the pattern, you just keep repeating rows 2 and 3. I'm going to make 2 more rows so that you guys can see a visual representation of that. If you don't want to stick around to see the visual, be sure to check out my other 4 videos in this mesh stitch tutorial series where we learn to decrease the stitch and much more. And as always, pause to read the pattern. So again, for repeat row 1, we're just going to chain 4. And then of course we're going to back loop single crochet in the second chain from the hook. And then we're going to turn our work. And so now we're going to chain 5 and single crochet in that chain 5 space. We're going to repeat that into the end. So again, we're going to chain 5, single crochet in the chain 5 space, and continue working that down till we get to the very last chain 5 space. So here we are coming up on that very last chain 5 space, and I'm just chaining up 5 and I'm single crocheting in that chain 5 space. And now we're going to chain up 8, and then we're just going to slip stitch in that single crochet. That is the end of repeat row 1, and now we're just going right into repeat row 2. And again, pause to read the pattern. So of course we're going to turn our work, and then we're just going to slip stitch in the first 3 chains. And then we're going to chain up 2, and then we're going to double crochet in the same chain. And then we're going to chain 5 and single crochet in that chain 5 space. And again, that is the repeat pattern. So again, chain up 5 and then single crochet in that next chain up 5. You're going to continue that all the way into the last chain 5 space. And here we are coming up on that last chain 5 space. So again, chain 5 and then single crochet in that chain 5 space. And now we're just going to chain up 5 and double crochet in that last single crochet. And your work should look something like this. And that is how you increase the diamond mesh stitch, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I enjoyed making it for you. As I said earlier in this video, this is one of 4 videos in this series where we learn our way all around this beautiful stitch, leading up to creating a gorgeous mesh shawl. I will link the playlist to this series and this video at the top right hand corner once it's completed. But as always, y'all, happy hooking and stay sunny.